Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet in Treasure NFT. Trust Wallet is a popular and secure mobile cryptocurrency wallet, giving you full control over your digital assets. It supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies and tokens across numerous blockchains. With its integrated D-app browser, Trust Wallet makes interacting with decentralized applications straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring your private keys remain safely in your possession. Now, let's explore Treasure NFT, a vibrant decentralized ecosystem built on the Arbitrum network. It's a hub for various games and unique NFT collections, all powered by the Magic token. This token serves both as a utility and governance asset within the platform. Connecting your Trust Wallet is the essential first step to fully engage with the Treasure marketplace and its exciting gaming experiences. Connecting your Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT is a simple process. First, open the D-app browser directly within your Trust Wallet application. Next, carefully navigate to the official Treasure NFT marketplace website. Once there, you'll find a Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Tap it, select Trust Wallet from the options, and then securely approve the connection request within your wallet. It's that easy. Security is paramount when interacting with decentralized applications. Always verify that you are on the official Treasure NFT website to avoid phishing scams. Crucially, never, ever share your 12-word recovery phrase. It grants full access to your funds. Before confirming any transaction, meticulously review all the details. Finally, for enhanced security, remember to disconnect your wallet from the platform when you are finished using it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.